In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags. Tags in Asana are a simple way to label tasks so you can spot themes at a glance and keep work organized across projects. They're perfect for calling out things like priority, status, or a specific initiative. Let's walk through exactly how to add and create a tag on a task. First, open your project in Asana. Head to the project where the task lives so you're looking at the full list or board of work. It doesn't matter which view you're in, what matters is that you can see the task you want to label. Next, click the task to open its details. This expands the task panel, typically on the right side of your screen, where you can see the description, assignee, due date, and all other task information. This panel is your control center for making updates without leaving the project. At the top of the task details, look for the three dots menu. This is the More Actions menu, and it holds a lot of the extra options that aren't shown by default. Click those three dots to reveal additional tools. From that menu, choose Add Tags. This opens the tag field for the task. If your team already uses tags, you'll see a list of existing options you can pick from. If not, you can create a new one right from here. To create a new tag, select the option that says Create Tag For, followed by the text you've typed. Think about a clear, reusable name, something like High Priority, Design Review, or Q3 Roadmap. Short, descriptive names help everyone understand the purpose at a glance and keep your workspace tidy. After choosing to create the tag, you'll be prompted to select a color. Pick a color that stands out and is consistent with how your team groups similar tags. Color isn't just cosmetic. It speeds up scanning and helps your eye land on the right information faster in busy views. That's it. Asana will create the tag and attach it to the task immediately. From now on, whenever you add tags to other tasks, you can reuse this same tag from the Add Tags field, so your labeling stays consistent across the project. To recap the flow you just followed, open your project, open the task details, use the three dots to access more actions, choose Add Tags, create a clear tag name, and assign a helpful color. With these simple steps, you'll make tasks easier to sort, scan, and understand, so your team can focus on the work that matters.